What is edge crush testing? Edge crush test (ECT) is a standard measure in the packaging industry to determine the stacking strength of corrugated cardboard boxes. This test evaluates the edgewise compression strength of a box's edges, which is crucial for assessing its ability to withstand vertical pressure during storage and transportation. Understanding the edge crush value of a corrugated box is essential for designing packaging that can protect its contents while stacked or stored. It helps manufacturers, shippers, and retailers in the packaging industry to ensure that the packaging materials are suitable for the intended use. To perform the edge crush test, place the edge crush test fixture with the erected edge of specimen facing the upper compression plate. Test corrugated boxes' ability to resist compressive forces during handling, stacking, and transportation. We provide different fixtures of this testing machine using this high-quality lab testing instrument. Users can easily conduct flat crush test, ring crush test, and an edge crush test with the help of this testing instrument. For more information about this testing instrument,